Namaskar to all of you. Now today we are going to see a new MCQs of one particular subject, that is the English pedagogy. So many students they are requesting for the preparation of MCQs regarding this subject. So some MCQs that is importance as per your examination. Just you watch to repeat the questions for your better understanding. This MCQs is also important to all the B.Ed students, those who are appearing the examinations. Let's go that which MCQs given in this video we will see. Before starting the videos and MCQs, one request, that is some of new students, those who are not, just subscribe my channel. It is my request to subscribe my channels and share all this information to the needy students also. Now we turn to the first question which is given in MCQs. According to the phonetics, English has dash sounds. The which number of sounds is phonetics given in English? Just you read all the options. The answer is D, 44. The second question is, method is the most natural method of teaching English. That is the four options is given. Direct method, grammar translation method, electric method, and explanation method. The answer of option that is answer of number of question 2, that is direct method. The question number 3, in dash approach of teaching, student is at the center. That is four option is always given, that is communication approach, multi-skill approach, constructivism, inclusive approach. Then which are the proper answer in that given in question number 3? That is constructivism, that is the correct answer. Then question number 4 is there, dash is the most common type of teaching material used in the classroom. The four option, that is a tape recorder, televisions, blackboard, and textbook. The correct answer is textbook. Question number 5, dash type of instructional material deals with hearing. That video instructional material, audio video visual instructional material, audio instructional material, then internet. Then which are the proper and correct answer of question number 5? That is the C, audio instructional material. We will turn to the sixth number of question. Question number 6, dash branch of linguistic deals with word and word formation. The which option is correct? That is you read in mind, then you just keep in mind that is whether it will be correct or not. The answer is C, morphology. That is the correct answer. The second question is, there are dash diphthong in English, the 5, 8, 6 and 7. Then how many diphthong in English language? That is the 8. That is C option is correct. Then question number 8, dash is the soul of language, words, sentence, grammar and paragraph. Then which word is the soul of language? That is the grammar is the soul of language. The next question is, dash tests are prepared to evaluate the achievement in reading comprehension. Then written test is there, then diagnostic test is there, oral test, then unit test. The which option is correct? That is the oral test is the proper answer of question number 9. The 10th question is, the term evaluation is to indicate the type of evaluation used at the end of term, course or program. Then that is the formative, then external, then internal, then summative. Those students who are know the concept of this word, they will know very well that is the correct answer, they will find easily. But the proper answer is summative. Summative, that is the correct answer of question number 10. Then next question 11 is there, dash and dash are the examples of bilabial sound. That means the which sound is there. That is the proper pronunciation is of that particular sound. Those who are in that is well known about the diphthong and bilabial, they will find the proper answer. It is related to the language and sound. Bilabial is sound. We will read the option. Then f, then th, r, that is p, b, and t and d. Which bilabial sound is there? That is the correct answer is p and b. The next question is, 12, there are dash nasal sound in English language. That is the 5, 8, 9, 3. That is the correct answer is very simple. That is 3. D option is correct. Then 13 question is there. The rise and fall in the pitch of voice is called as trace, accent, tone, intonation. The 13 number question is that is proper answer is intonation. Into Marathi that is uchchar, intonation. uh, 14 question is there. Direct method is a reaction to dash dash method of teaching English. Communicative, then elective, grammar, translation method, Dr. West new method. That is correct answer is C option, grammar translation method. Then 15 number question is the purpose of dash is to prevent a clear, vivid, interesting and ordered sequence of event. A is there explanation, dramatization, role playing, narration. That is correct answer is narration. 16 number, that study expect pupil to study in the classroom or library under the supervision of teacher is called, that is classroom, that is supervise, self assigned. That is the correct answer is B is there, supervise study. 17 question is there. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings recollected in the tranquility. This definition of poetry is given by. The proper name should be necessary. Those who are well known about the definitions and statement about any regarding poem, they will give the easily answer. The correct answer is Wordsworth. That is the correct answer. C option is there. Then question number 18. The words which we use frequently in speaking, writing are called as. Then active vocabulary, passive vocabulary, content words and structural words. The correct answer is active vocabulary. The 19th question is help to attain mastery over all four languages skill. That is means the reading is there, structure is there, vocabulary and revision. First, that is one of the requests to the student, please understand the meaning of the question, then after that you turn to the options. Which options is the proper, you just come to the conclusion, then after that give the answer. Question number 19 is correct answer is structure. The question number 20, regarding words or sentences with producing sound audible to other is the silent reading, poetry reading, then extensive reading, then loud reading. The question number 20 is the right answer is loud reading. Next question is, the three aspects of education are given by Bloom, Rystone, Rousseau, Allport. Then the correct answer is Bloom. Some of the Bloom theories is also in B.Ed course. 22 question number is, dash tests are helpful in judging power of expression and vocabulary. A option is oral, unit, written, diagnostic. The proper answer is written. C is the proper answer. 23 number of question, that is type of reading is for getting the general idea of the text. Intensive, extensive, scanning and skimming. Which are the proper answer, which is the proper words is there as an answer? The correct answer is B, extensive. Question number 24, type of planning is for activities taken in 1 month, year, unit, month and lesson. The correct answer is very simple, unit. The 25 number question, dash is the study of language in relation to society. Phonetic is there, then socio-linguistic is there, stylistic is there and semantic is there. The proper answer is 25. That is correct answer is socio-linguistic is the proper correct answer. Question number 26. The word which join two words, phrases or sentences is called. Preposition is there, article is there, conjunction is there, adverb is there. The proper and correct answer is option number C, conjunction. The next question 27. The teacher was sitting dash the students, among, near, between, beside. The proper answer is very simple, among. Question number 28. When a statement is affirmative, then its question tag becomes declarative, positive, imperative, and negative. The proper answer is negative. The question number 29. A dash noun is always begins with capital letter. Common, proper, material, and collective. The correct answer is proper. We know that our name is also start with capital. Question number 13. There are dash type of genders in English grammar. 4, 8, 3, and 6. That is correct answer is 4. Question number 31. he speak he speak English fluently. Identified the wrong word in the sentence. Speak fluently English and he. That is correct answer is speak. That yes is necessary in that sentences. So the speak is wrong answer in that sentence. 32 is there. Dash is a unit of speech that can be uttered in a single breath. That is phenomena, then syllabus, then morpheme, then word. That is correct answer is B, syllable. The next question is 33. A letter or letter that are attached to the root word in the beginning is called as the fixation, suffix, affix, and prefix. The correct answer is prefix. The 34 number question. Please give me a book. Identify the type of sentence. Declarative, imperative, statement, or interrogative. That is correct answer is imperative. That is the correct answer. Then 35 number of question 35. She has been writing a letter since last year. Identify the tense type. That is A, B, C, D is given. The correct answer is 35. Present perfect continuous tense. Then question 36. Dash is the indefinite article in the English grammar. A, an, the, and this. The is the correct answer. Now we will see the question number 37. Dash is the base of learning any new language. Reading, speaking, then listening, then writing. The correct answer is listening. English is next question 38. English is introduced from first standard in Maharashtra since. That is the year we should have to find the year here. The option is C is correct. Year 2000 onwards that English is introduced from first standard in Maharashtra. The question number 39. A pause taken while speaking is shown by dash in writing. That is option is given, then punctuation mark, question mark, exclamation mark, then question mark. The correct answer is punctuation mark. 40. In dash type of reading, the listener is not present. Loud reading, then group reading, silent reading, then popcorn reading. That is correct answer is silent. The next question is there. I do not write a better. Change the voice. A letter was written by me. A letter is not written by me. A letter was not written by me. A letter is written by me. Which is the correct answer? That is option B is there. A letter is not written by me. Question number 42. Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. Identify the type of degree. The positive degree is there. Comparative degree, non-native degree, then superlative degree. The correct answer is superlative degree. Next question is there 33. Identify the base or root word from this spelling unsuccessfully. Only ly, then be success, un, and full. Which is the correct answer in that given that success is the correct answer. 44. Is this your book? Identify the type of sentence. One is the declarative, imperative, affirmative, then interrogative. Which is the correct answer is in that given in the proper answer. Which is the proper answer? That is the interrogative. Next question is 45. She was playing football and her mother was cheering her. Identify the type of sentence. Simply a simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, then complex compound sentence. Which is the correct answer? That is the compound sentence. Now the question number 46. We can play all the day long. Identify the auxiliary verb. Can is there, play, long and day. The which is the correct answer? Option number A, can, is the correct answer. The 47. He is the best player in the team. Change into the positive degree. 47. The which is the correct answer given option, that is no other player is as good as him, that is the correct answer. The 48. The word in the sentence are useful in meaning is called. I again repeat the question. The words in the statement in the sentence are useful in meaning is called as constructive words, grammar words, content words, then close words. The correct answer is given in that question. Content word is the correct answer. The 49, question number 49. The nuclear industry dash most of the country's electrical power. Which is the proper answer given in that question? That is the D. D is option, generates. That is the correct answer. Then question number 50. In grammar, dash type of sentence start with a rule, then give example. Deductive, then inductive, then conductive, then functional. The correct answer is deductive is there. Dear student, these are the 50 questions for the English pedagogy which is important for your examination. So you have to read 2 or 3 times and by heart some definitions also, some words also, which is useful for your coming examination. Regarding to this MCQs, I will give the Google question mock test in description box. So requesting to all of you that you will see the link also, then just solve all the questions, whether which questions is correct or you remember or not. I will prepare some new MCQs also for all the students with new topic and new subject. Before I am requesting that those students is new and those are not subscribe me just also, then I will request to you all of you that please subscribe my channel and share to all the students. I am thankful to all of you that you watched my all the videos. I am requesting that please do the minute study and understand the concept of word also. Now give me the permission for preparation of new video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.